Hey there, welcome in technical specification of JBL Flip 6 versus JBL Charge Essential 2 and what are the main differences. Now when you're going to look here on the weight, the JBL Flip 6 is less weight comparing to the JBL Charge Essential 2. Then when we are going to look on a further dimensions, the Flip 6 is more compact. The water resistance is also dust proof, so that's something that JBL Charge Essential is not. Then you're gonna have the output power. The JBL Flip 6 got a higher output power. And now the battery life. The battery life is better for the Charge Essential. You can have like up to 20 hours. And then you're going to have the Bluetooth version, which is also better for Flip 6. And then you're gonna have the Party Boost JBL Portable app. There is also, you can have power bank function for JBL Charge Essential. So I can't really say which one is better or worse. But I just wanted to make this quick comparison for you regards some technical specifications that maybe it's going to give you a little bit of value. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.